In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write 10 to the power of 9 in PowerPoint. Understanding how to properly present numerical expressions in your presentations can significantly enhance their clarity and professionalism. This skill is particularly useful in scientific, mathematical, or technical presentations where exponents are frequently used. Let's dive into the process, which involves a few straightforward steps to accomplish this using Microsoft PowerPoint. This will not only make your slides look more professional, but also ensure that your data is presented accurately. First and foremost, you need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. If you're not immediately prompted to open an existing file, navigate to the File menu to find and select the presentation you wish to edit. This will take you to the opening screen where you can access your collection of presentations. Once you've opened your desired file, locate the slide that contains the number or text you want to modify. Perhaps it's a slide detailing scientific data or a technical specification that involves mathematical notation. Whatever the case, identifying the exact location of the content to be edited is crucial. Next, highlight the text or number that you wish to turn into a superscript. In our case, this would be the 9 inches in 10 to the power of 9. To highlight, simply click and drag your cursor over the text or number, effectively selecting it. Now navigate to the Home tab on your PowerPoint ribbon. This tab contains the essential tools for editing text and adjusting its appearance, making it one of the most frequently used tabs when editing presentations. After clicking on the Home tab, direct your attention to the Font group. This section of the ribbon contains various controls related to font style, size, color, and other text effects, including the superscript option that we are interested in. Within the font group, you'll notice a small arrow at the bottom right corner. Click on this arrow to open the font dialog window. This window provides a more detailed set of options for customizing your text, which are not immediately visible in the ribbon. In the font dialog window, look for the effects section. Here you'll find the checkbox for superscript. Checking this box will enable the superscript format for your selected text or number. So, go ahead and check this box. As soon as you do, you'll notice that the 9 inches in 10 to the power of 9 inches is now correctly formatted as a superscript, just like in mathematical expressions you might find in textbooks. With the superscript option applied, click OK to close the dialog window. Your number should now reflect the change right on your slide, with the 9 inches sitting neatly above the baseline of the 10, accurately representing the mathematical power notation. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully formatted a number in superscript in PowerPoint, making your presentation clearer and more precise. This method can be applied to any number or text that requires similar formatting, whether it's in scientific notation, mathematical expressions, or any content that benefits from the use of superscript. A couple of additional tips to keep in mind. Always review your slides after making edits to ensure everything looks correct. And remember, consistency in how you present numerical data or expressions across your presentation can make a significant difference in how your message is received. PowerPoint offers a wealth of tools to help present your ideas, and mastering these small formatting tricks can enhance your delivery immensely. That's all for today's tutorial on how to write 10 to the power of 9 in PowerPoint. Through these simple steps, you've gained a little more insight into the power of PowerPoint for presenting information in a clear, professional manner. Whether you're in a classroom, a meeting room, or sharing your work online, these skills will serve you well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your presentations.